guys, and welcome to today's video. So today your girl is here with another crazy video, but today's video is a hair growth video. Basically it's the inversion method. I don't know if you've heard of it, but if you haven't, I'm here for you. Basically this method is a hair growth booster or enhancer that claims that it gives up to 1 inch in a week. And I know that that's crazy, but it's possible. And you're meant to do the method for 1 week in a month. You're not meant to do it forever. You're meant to like space it in the gap of 3 weeks or more. Basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna need oil, you're gonna need your fingers. If you don't want to use your fingers, you can use a scalp massager, but it's not necessary. So you're gonna take your oil and apply it to your scalp. So you're going to flip your hair upside down, then you're going to massage your hair, like give yourself a good massage for 4 straight minutes. And after you give yourself that massage, you're going to rise up slowly. So if you have medical issues, I'll advise you stay away from this method. So basically I'm going to be trying it for 7 days to see my results. So I'm just going to do a quick length check before I start my inversion method. Okay, let me do this. Let me use this front section. This is the front section here. So my hair is basically like, okay, my hair is straight. So it's basically like, I would say after like so this is where my hair is at anyways. I don't know what length this is, but it's like after the tip of my nose. Yes, that's where it is. Then where else should I measure? Please go back, shrink back up, thank you. So that's where my hair is at as of today, and today is what? As of today, 8th of April. So I'm going to be trying it for a week and hopefully it gives me results. 7 days, 7 days, baby. So I'm gonna show you all how I did it for the first day, and I'm going to just repeat the same thing for the next 7 days. Let's get to massaging, baby. Hello guys, it's been 7 days I've been trying the inversion method on my hair, and I'm finally here for the result. So basically, let's get to it. I've been massaging my hair and it's been a very long week, so I use the side to measure basically. You said I was the only one. So it's basically on my lip now. I think it grew, but it's definitely 1 inch. So whew. I think it grew. Wait, sure. Let's check this out well. Okay, it's almost at the bottom part of my lip. It was like here before, it was here. Is that 1 inch? So basically my hair grew. I would say my hair grew, but my hair is grease balls. My hands are so oily from touching my hair. My face has been going through it because my hair is always oily. This method is just, I don't know. What I don't like about the whole method is the fact that I have to be using oils on my hair. I really am not really into oils, and I have to use it for every day for the past 7 days. Imagine how greasy my hair is. My hair is itching me and everything. Like, I don't know if you can see how oily my hands are, but they are really, really oily. So I'm just gonna wash my hair now. I'm just gonna go and wash my hair. Basically, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Bye.